By the end of this video, you will know how to use paddle shifters as if you have used them your whole life. But before we hit the road, we have to have a very basic understanding of our vehicle. Even though I'm in a Mercedes-Benz AMG, paddle shifters essentially work the same way in every vehicle. Even your Honda Accord or your Dodge Charger, whatever it is, it's gonna work the same way. So the paddle on the right is gonna upshift or bring you into a higher gear, and then the left paddle will downshift or bring you into a lower gear. And if for some reason you have no clue what the gears really mean, lower gear will raise your RPM and make your engine work harder and give you more power. Upshifting, bringing it into a higher gear, will bring down the RPMs and make the engine work less hard. If you just drive in normal, if you pay attention to your RPM, it keeps on dropping. That's because the transmission is upshifting for you. At any moment to enter the manual mode, you can literally just click any of the paddles and then boom, you're using the paddles. Now let's say I'm just driving, I'm in this mode. Now I'm hitting the gas, it's not gonna shift. I can keep on getting more and more power in the same gear, but then just click a little paddle, boom, I'm into the next gear, lowering the RPM. But let's say I want to even slow down and use kind of the engine braking, I can just downshift, get the higher RPMs to slow down a little bit, or put down more power if that's, what you're trying to do. Let's say you're on a track and you want to do a 40 roll or something like that. Don't just floor it. Go in the manual mode and either downshift yourself all the way to the lowest gear, or if you want, hold the downshift and it will automatically put you in the lowest gear it can, giving you maximum power. So you'll already have a little boost built too if you have, a boosted vehicle by raising those RPMs. Very useful stuff. But let's say you're not racing and you're just driving normal. Like I said, you can still just downshift to slow down a little bit. Look at this infinity. Downshifting will give you some burbles. And more power so you can do stuff like this. A common misconception I hear about paddle shifters is that when you're shifting, you have to remove your foot and then shift. It's not a manual, little bro. It's an automatic. And automatics not only have hella fail-safe, so if you do anything reckless to your transmission, it just won't happen. Like if you try to downshift into second gear at like 80 miles per hour, it won't let you. And like let's say right here, I'm trying to upshift when I can't. Like it won't let me, so I won't stall my engine. Let's say you just accelerating normal and you just upshifting. That's a very natural shift that your transmission makes all the time when you're in automatic mode. Why would that be a problem in manual mode? I don't remember if I mentioned this, but at any moment, if you want to enter into the automatic mode again, just hold the upshift, like the right paddle, and in every car, it's just gonna bring you right back into the automatic mode. You're cruising like an NPC again, getting from point to point B. But at any moment, click that little left paddle, maybe even click it again, and then hit that gas. Another interesting thing you can do with the paddles is you can just downshift and just slightly hit the gas and just drag out the gear to hear the exhaust. Even if you're not hitting the gas a lot to like go fast. Oh my God! So let's say I roll down the window a little bit, downshift into third, I can just If you want to see another POV drive in the AMG, watch this video on screen right now.